So this is our first year coming back to St. Maarten since Sinbad originally did the HBO special in 1995. So it'll be 30 years exactly. So we have the same weekend, Memorial Day weekend, May 21st to the 26th, and a series of 5 days of events. So we kick it off. We have an opening party, which is kind of like a welcoming party in the Maho area, and then we're doing an all-white party with DJ Envy that we're doing at a place called Bamboo Beach. But the Friday, Saturday will be the main concerts, and then Sunday we're having a celebration. So on Friday night, we got the comedy night, which is going to be hosted by Chris Spencer, who has always worked with us and funny, hilarious, been our host sometimes. And then the feature act is Miss Pretty Ricky. And Miss Pretty Ricky is hilarious. She's big on online and a social media influencer, but she's also known for being on the Cat Williams tour and killing it on Cat Williams tour. So we got a chance to bring in this young, energetic, new comedian. And then, of course, we got the headliner, the old school, the OG, the original Kings of Comedy, Cedric the Entertainer, doing the headlining on Friday night. And all this is going to happen at the Festival Village. So we're going to have the comedy night there, and then the next day we flip it to a music venue. So the Saturday night, we're going to have Dougie Fresh come down to host the trip back to St. Maarten. And then we're going to have the opening act, which is right now we're deciding who's going to really explode from the carnival that they have at the end of the month. And whoever the biggest artist is from the carnival will be opening up the show. And then we have Money Long, who won her first Grammy last year. We always try to do the old school and the new school and try and find out who's coming up, who's going to be the one that we can't afford in a year. And Money is that place. She's an amazing talent. She's written for people like Ariana Grande. She's written for Mariah Carey. But now she's doing her own thing, and already with Hours and Hours, she won a Grammy last year. This year she got nominated for 2 Grammys, and the song Made for Me is like a woman universal theme song. Everybody plays it. They play it at weddings. On top of that, then we have our headliner, because we needed somebody as we moved to kind of fill the gap, between old school and new school, and who better than the Gap Band man himself, Charlie Wilson, who started off with the Gap Band and did hits like Burn Rubber on Me and Party Train, and then 13 number ones that he's had over his life from 1970s to 2025. He's been making hits, and there's not many people that you can have that can span 50 years of music and still be relevant today. So Charlie Wilson, who's been to Aruba before, people have loved him. He only gets better with time. He changes his outfit. He has the dancers. It's a great time. So Charlie Wilson's going to headline, and all of that will be at the Village, at the Festival Village in St. Maarten. We're doing a special Sunday celebration with DJ Jazzy Jeff flying in to do a big beach party where we're going to have special guests that come on and perform on the stage, all on the beach at Bamboo Beach in St. Maarten. Daytime beaches we have as well. We have a comedy after party with DJ Trauma. And so we've got some really great DJs. We'll still have people like Frank Ski coming down. Of course, we're coming back to the hometown now of Outkast and G Money, so who always have been part of the festival here in Aruba. Now we get a chance for them to go to their home. They'll be able to sleep in their own bed. But we're looking forward to, having 5 days celebration. Because we've been here, all these years, we built such a fan base here. And again, part of the Soul Beach family is the Aruba family. And we really want all the people who've supported us over the years, feel free to come down, join in the fun. One of our sponsors is Win Air, but whatever flight you got to take it to get over. That weekend, we're going to have, again, 5 days of events, 3 days of the main events. So if you're just coming for the weekend, come down, enjoy. We're doing something special on the Sunday, which is called Sip, Dip, and Drip. And so that means you get a chance to drink, you get a chance to go to the beach and dip, and then it's going to be on Front Street on the boardwalk. So the drip is shop to you drop experience. So we're inviting everybody down. There's going to be several different locations that are going to have entertainment. You'll be able to walk up and down the boardwalk and the wharf and shop till you drop all from 11 o'clock until 4 p.m. So we're adding new experiences. We're adding some cultural exchanges, some tours to wellness events. And the whole weekend is just going to be a chance to revive, refresh, rejuvenate. We want to see everybody there. And this year, again, we're going to do special discount tickets that are only available for this region. So the original cost, if you go online, is $100. There's a 30% discount if you buy the hard ticket in Aruba. That's going to be at Sitco Boulevard only, and it's $70. So again, you can go to soulbeach.com to find out any information that you want about the schedule of events, who are the host hotels, and you can even book a hotel on online.